Early in 2025, Lithium Universe released a Definitive Feasibility Study outlining its plan to build a new lithium carbonate refinery in Québec, Canada. But unless you're a mining engineer with an MBA and a side hustle in international trade politics, there are likely a whole lot of numbers that may not mean a whole lot. So let's break it down into the ones that matter. As the world shifts to electrification and renewable energy, the lithium-ion battery market has taken off, and it is expected to keep growing at 20% per year, every year. By 2030, it'll be worth 3 times what it is today. But China has a stranglehold on the entire market, including processing over 70% of all the lithium used in batteries. That's the number that is forcing many governments, particularly in North America, to run the ruler over their local supply chains. So, do their numbers add up? On one side of the equation, there is plenty of mine supply. We're talking over 500 million tonnes of raw lithium just in the James Bay region of Canada. On the other side, there is a huge demand for battery materials, with local lithium-ion battery production across North America tipped to go up tenfold over the next decade. But in the middle is nothing. Zero. North America currently has no active conversion facilities to process all that ore for those hungry gigafactories. And if no one does anything then, the shortfall could reach up to 800,000 tonnes annually across North America. This is what we call the lithium conversion gap. It sounds like an easy problem to fix. Just build a few new refineries. Well, not exactly. It is a complex technology, and while many have tried outside of China, few have succeeded. After building and operating the world-class Jiangsu plant, the Lithium Universe team are using that experience to construct a new state-of-the-art lithium carbonate refinery in Canada, with an annual capacity of 18,270 tonnes. Located in Quebec, the ambitious new project will cost an estimated $549 million to build. That may seem a lot, but the costs of processing the ore are estimated at just $3,931 per tonne, helped by cheap hydropower, making it competitive with Chinese conversion. And when operating at full capacity, the project is expected to generate $383 million in annual revenue, giving the project a pre-tax net present value, or NPV, of $718 million, which is the number that tells you how much the project is expected to be worth over the course of its lifetime. And what does that mean for an investor? Once the plant is built and operating at full capacity, it is projected to have an internal rate of return of 21%, which means a return of over 20 cents a year on every dollar invested. And importantly, helping the world bridge the lithium conversion gap.